everything one, check. Everything I do, pack a punch, back it up, stack it up to the sky, now rack it up. Planet of the brakes won't sink, just swim. The master blaster, boombox on 10, throwing Hail Mary, some I ain't trying to pass it, it's still very on to the cat.
Yo, what's going on, guys? I just want to give a big shout out to my homie Dji for gifting me these amazing canes. Listen, I'm 3 years from being 40 years old and my feet hurt with how much filming I do, events and everything. One of the biggest things that has been a problem for me have been my feet, and he told me about the cane shoes and decided to gift me some, and I'm just super grateful. Thank you so much, dude. By the way, if you're looking into purchasing some canes, I highly recommend it. These are awesome fitness shoes. They're kind of like the dope version of Crocs. I think Crocs are very comfortable, but these just look really sick. I got the all blacked out ones because I do plan on using these for production, but I love these. You can take them on the beach, you can rinse them off, you can like literally wear them casually. You can throw socks on them because I like wearing these with socks. I just did it for the little ad here we did. And sorry about the little love handles there. I'm working on those. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the footage. That was all Pocket 4P in a D-Log because we had to use a 3x zoom. And with the new update, we now have D-Log in slow motion. So the slow motion shots were in D-Log, and yeah, this will be my first time checking them out and seeing how that all works. They still have not fixed the exposure shift problem, so hopefully on the next firmware update they fix that. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the little ad and get yourself some canes if you have feet problems like me. Peace.